If you've been searching for a trading platform that puts transparency and low costs first, Fintevex.io might have caught your attention. Let's take a deeper look at what makes this platform stand out and where it still has room to improve. Fintevex's biggest promise is zero commissions on most assets. No more seeing your hard-earned profits eaten up by extra fees. For many traders, that alone can be a major advantage, especially if you're placing frequent trades. You also get ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.1 pips, helping you enter the market at the most competitive prices possible. Combined with their transparent pricing model, you always know exactly what you're paying. The platform offers access to a wide range of trading instruments, from forex and stocks to commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Whether you're diversifying your investments or focusing on a single market, you'll find plenty of options here. Setting up your account is quick and easy. You can register in minutes, verify your identity, deposit funds, and start trading almost immediately. Multiple funding options make it convenient no matter where you are. Another plus is the user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to trading, you'll find navigation straightforward and placing trades effortless. For professionals, the platform delivers lightning-fast execution, capturing opportunities in milliseconds. Security is a top priority at Fintevex. Your personal information and funds are protected with advanced encryption technology and strict compliance standards, so you can trade knowing your data is safe. However, there are a few things you should be aware of. While zero commissions are appealing, spreads can widen during major market events or high volatility, which can impact your bottom line if you're not prepared. Also, customer support operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means if you trade over weekends, especially in crypto markets, you might not have immediate help available. Another point to consider is that some of the premium features and research tools are reserved for higher account tiers like Gold, Platinum, and VIP. If you start with a basic or silver account, you may not have full access to advanced analytics. Overall, Fintevex.io combines low trading costs, a modern platform, and robust security, making it a strong contender for traders who value simplicity and efficiency. Thousands of users are already benefiting from Fintevex's competitive pricing and fast trade execution. Isn't it time you joined them? Visit Fintevex.io to open your account today, explore global markets, and experience a smarter way to trade. Your path to financial freedom starts here.